Hello everyone. What is CAN? Common Account Number (CAN) will be a single reference number issued by MFU, created only once for a unique combination of number of investors, order of holding, mode of holding, social status, etc. Upon creation, CAN will map itself with the existing folios of the investors across mutual funds participating in MFU that are matching the CAN criteria, thereby providing a consolidated view of all the investments in the mutual fund industry. Common account number will hold centrally for the industry. CAN helps the investors to update changes in one place. CAN will facilitate investors to transact in multiple schemes across mutual funds participating in MFU using a physically through common transaction form or online and making a single consolidated payment for purchases. Duplication of processes or documentation is eliminated, thereby reducing administrative botheration. CAN will facilitate registration of one debit bank mandate for multiple SIP registrations using a common transaction form or online in schemes across mutual funds participating in MFU. What is eCAN? eCAN is a facility offered by MFU where investors can submit all the data required for opening a CAN electronically and get a CAN created instantly. Mutual fund investors who have registered KYC are eligible to create eCAN. Let's see how to create eCAN. Open Google Chrome or any other browser. Type www.mfuindia.com in address bar and press enter button. Now click on eCAN Open Account Online option. Click on option 1. That is completely electronically eCAN. Tick on Capture checkbox and then click on New Form button. On this page, enter your advisor's or distributor's code. Select your tax status through drop-down list. Select your holding nature. Here we have taken option single just for an example. Now click on Next button. On this page, mention your basic details. That is, name as per mention in your PAN card, date of birth, PAN card number, mobile number and email address. Now fill in your basic KYC and FATCA details. Now click on Next button. Fill in your bank details. Here you can add up to 3 banks, of which any one has to be set as default bank. Now click on Next button. Now nominee page opens. Fill in your nominee details. Nominee can be done, 1 person, or maximum 3 persons, stating their ratios. In case of minor nominee, guardian details will be mandatory. Then tick on I agree checkbox. Click on Submit button. You can see Can request accepted page. This is your ECAN number generated. Now click on Click Here button to upload the required documents. Note, all the documents should be self-attested. On this page you need to upload all your documents. Click on Add Files button. Documents required: self-attested Aadhaar, self-attested PAN card. For bank details, check passbook or bank statement which specifies your name on it. If you have added more than one bank, then upload details for all the banks. Important note, your image should not be more than 500 kilobits. Click on Upload button. This is how your ECAN number is generated. Once your ECAN is approved successfully, you will receive an email on your registered email ID from MF Utility stating your entire portfolio statement. To create login ID and password, watch our next video. This will help you to keep a watch on your portfolio and will also help you in doing transactions. If you have found this video needful, then please press on like button and do share our video.